Oh.
But sinking in. Let your shoulders relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Right side again, and then let your head just drop into my hands. Good. Good, let it go.
Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to react to it. I feel like I should be in pain and I'm not. Mm-hmm. So that's that.
Laughter is the... Okay, so we're going to do the lower cervical now. And so for this one, we're going to bring it down a little bit further to like right about here, okay? And then we'll push like that. So let your head drop into the table. Good. Nice and gentle. Let me go ahead and breathe in through your nose, not through your mouth. Good.
Oh my God. That was intense.
Okay, we're going to do the left side first. I'm going to reach around the front, okay, Kayla? And then let your shoulder relax here, just kind of like loosey-goosey. Just let this go. Lean forward a little bit more. We'll give this a push. Oh, hold on. Good. Go left hip up just a little bit. Down. Okay, so this is an instrument. It's okay. It'll be okay. This is what it sounds like. You want to see it?
What is it?
Okay. This is a very gentle percussion machine. Okay, so this is what it feels like. We're not going to do it on your sacrum because you have a bruise there. So we're just going to start at the lumbar spine. Good. Good relax there. Way to sink into it.
I was embracing it.
Okay. All right. And so pressure's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. This is just going to help loosen up your spine, help the muscles relax, break up any tension that's in there, and get you ready for the adjustment, okay?
Mm-hmm. Like, kind of takes your breath away.
Mm-hmm.
It's a funny feeling.
Do you feel like a shortness of breath with it?
Yeah, not like in a bad way.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like in a good way, I guess.
Like butterflies?
Yeah, I don't know. Like, almost like, kind of, not like your heart stops like that moment, like short, yeah, I guess like shortness of breath, I don't know.
All right. Let me know if your heart stops.
Well, if I stop talking, just give me a tap, make sure I'm okay.
Mm-hmm. Pressure here is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. A little further.
Oh. That's why it was much more successful.
But sinking in, let your shoulders relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh, yeah.